Hello everyone, this is Rashmi, math tutor and your guide too. So as you know, I am a math teacher, so love towards my math will definitely is growing every other day. And I want to give that passion to your kids too. And if I'm not there, definitely you are there to give that. So please convey my math passion to your kids. Now school have started and kids are bombarded with so much of information and they have so much of homework they cannot pay attention to one subject. And the funny part is they start doing their work without even knowing all the concept. Yesterday one of my student in geometry, very brilliant student, and he started doing midpoint, length segment, line segment, everything he was doing fast without knowing the concept. When I asked him what is the difference between a ray and a line, why we have that arrow, okay, what is a point and what is a length segment, what is midpoint and how it is defined, with midpoint with one of the endpoint given and midpoint is given, can you find the third one, everything I was asking him, and he got confused. Then I asked him, okay, you know what is plane and how you define a line and what is the difference between a plane and a line, everything he was thinking. And then I asked him one simple question, if you have a safety pin, how will you define the tip of that? He has no answer. It's a point without length, height, width. It's a location, it's a point. It's not their fault. They have so many things in their backpack. So what we can do as a parent, we can definitely give them all the concept. And you don't need a specific time to give all of them. You can give them all the concept while during your lunch or dinner or when you are driving with your kids going to school. Ask them all the question, and I will give you all the question what to ask them and how to clear their concept. If you are watching me, you will have this. So I'm starting now 8th grade. You can say CBSE, NCERT, ICSE, doesn't matter. They have the concept. Just recently, there was a news that UC Berkeley, it was a New York Post, that UC Berkeley professor was teaching fraction first to their calculus student, because not that standard is going down. The problem is the kids have so many new information. The back thing is going really back. That is not even in their mind. So don't get afraid of anything. Tell them fraction is just a dividend divided by a divisor. The answer is the quotient and the remaining is the remainder. Right? It's not that difficult. But you can teach them while you are driving or you are with them, and give my math passion to your kids. And again, math is the only subject where 2 plus 2 will remain 4 no matter what. Nobody can argue that, right? So give my passion of love toward math to your kids, and the only way is to practice, practice, and practice.